This is one of my favorite credit cards that you can use to buy your next home or investment property. Now, this credit card is called the Bank Business Credit Card. Now, what's unique about this business credit card is it has 0% interest for 18 months, and it also comes with convenience checks. Now, these convenience checks can be written out and deposited directly into your checking account using the balance from the credit card, and you can use it as cash. Now, that cash can be used as a deposit on your family home, that investment property, or on the business that you want to buy. Like I always say, you don't need to use your money to make money. Practice OPM, leverage your credit, and use the bank's money to make money. Let's get active.
All right, so there's a couple of trigger words that he used here while describing this credit card. Now, Ameris Bank does have some great business credit cards, and they do have one that offers 0% interest for 18 months. Not a problem with any of those things. Where I run into issues with this particular video, and just in case you guys don't know, this is Prada Jones. He's a pretty well-known finance Instagram guru. He talks a lot about credit, talks a lot about finances, has a couple of courses, and I've had a complicated relationship with Prada over the years. He's had dropped some bomb videos. He's dropped some amazing content. He's also dropped some content that I've called into question publicly. And also offered proof for why I called it into question. This will be another one of those videos. Now, when I listen to this video and I hear how he's proposing you use a credit card to buy a home or your investment property or start your new business using the 0% 18-month introductory period, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me because he's mentioning taking out the money as cash. The moment you take the money out as cash on a credit card, you're going to start getting charged interest. That 0% 18-month interest will not apply to that money you take out as cash. I don't care if you take it out at the ATM, if you go into the bank and swipe it and take it out, if you use a convenience check and deposit it into your account and use that as cash, it doesn't really matter. I want to show you something. So now we're on the Ameris Bank Business Credit Card website where you can see all of the business credit cards that they have and the information that comes with it. So we're going to scroll down and we see that we have their first card here for 0% introductory APR for the first 6 months. Okay. We don't want that one. Okay. 0% introductory APR for the first 18 billing cycles. After that, 17.24% interest up to 26.24% interest based upon, what the market is at the prime rate and what you qualify for with your credit. Let's take a look at what we're actually talking about here. If you're going to take the money out using a convenience check to buy your first home, to start your business, to invest in an investment property, you need to know what you're going to be dealing with, because if they approve you for 25 grand, 50 grand, $10,000, and there's an interest rate to be applied to that, you got a big problem. Because if that's the amount of financing that you need from a credit card, that means you, A, did not qualify for a real estate loan. B, you didn't qualify for a real business loan or an investment loan. You do not drop down to using credit cards unless you simply can't get legitimate funding elsewhere. So let's take a look at the terms and conditions so we can see what we're actually dealing with here. All right, so let's scroll down and find the information on cash advances. So while we do have a 0% APR for the first 18 billing cycles, which is the first year and a half for purchases, when you come down and you take a look at APRs for cash advances, 29.99%. This APR will vary with the market and is based on the prime rate, which right now I think is like 8.5%, if I'm not mistaken. On top of that, you're going to be charged a 4% fee on each advance that you take out, which means each check that you write. Now, this is a copy of Ameris Bank's General Card Member Agreement. I'm going to scroll down where I can find exactly where they define what a cash advance qualifies as. All right, personal use, purchases, advances. All right. Advances are transactions other than purchases that allow you direct access to funds available through your account. Advances may include account transactions such as cash advances that you obtain directly from us, an automated teller, ATM, or other participating financial institutions, ATM. And financial institution advances include phone and internet transfers. Advances also include some balance transfers, convenience checks, fast cash overdraft protection, and cash equivalent advances. As you can see right here, If you utilize convenience checks to just pull money out of your credit card because you have that available credit limit, you're not going to take advantage of that 0% APR for that 18 months. You will be charged whatever the actual rate you qualified for with that particular credit card, which could become not only an expensive loan, but more often than not, an extremely disastrous financial decision. If you really want to bury yourself using credit cards, start using convenience checks or taking out cash advances when using the card. This could not possibly be worse information for you. I hope me going through this information with you was helpful and help you avoid making some bad decisions financially. Let's move on to the next clip.
He had me on my Urkel. Heart just turned.
I don't understand this, and maybe I sound like a hater, but this post by Capital Expand on Instagram with a nice little Drake overlay says Millionaire Blueprint, 6 business credit cards, EIN only, Lily, Divvy, Plexi, Clear, Sam's Club, MasterCard, Best Buy, then gas business cards, Shell 5,000, BP 7,000, Exxon 5,000, Chevron 10,000, Racetrack 5,000. Now, what the hell is this going to do for you? All I need to know is, what is this going to do for you? The reality is that most people who actually even apply for these are looking to escape the fact that they can't get personal credit, which means that you won't even qualify for most of these. I mean, yeah, you can get these Shell and BP and Exxon and Chevron cards, but how much gas do you need? When it comes down to Lily, Divvy, Plexi, Clear, Sam's Club, they got qualifications. One of them being they're going to look at your personal credit. If your personal credit is effed up, none of this stuff even applies to you. And if you do have good personal credit, you don't have to go this route to get business funding. Now, this post has 2,702 likes as of December 3rd, 2023. Why do we keep doing this to ourselves? Why do we keep letting stuff like this get popular? Now, I know I may sound like a hater, but I don't give a damn. At this point, all I'm trying to do is figure out what's what and who's who. Because these people that y'all listening to are going to bury you. They're going to bury you in debt, unreasonable debt. Not to be confused with Reasonable Doubt, one of my favorite albums by Jay-Z. But it's going to get your LLC effed up. It's going to have you with a bunch of bloated credit that you can't use and are getting charged for absolutely no reason. Stop falling for the bypass blueprint, buying people's courses on crap that you can't even take advantage of until you get your personal life and personal finances in order. I'm not going to expound on this thing too much more because honestly, it's just quite frankly ridiculous. Let's move on to the next clip. All right, so it looks like this one would be a precursor to the last one. I should have found this clip first because this is just another dumbass clip giving you basic instructions on how to start an LLC, and it doesn't even give good detailed instructions. Now, this chick has 3,825 likes as of December 23rd, 2023. Now, I can't tell you how many posts that I've actually seen like this, where it's just some chick or some dude on some exotic location. In this case, it's just Vegas. A film of Vegas, giving you information that you can't even really apply. Now, I went to this chick's Instagram page, and of course, she's got a course for sale. So she's going to post salacious information like this, which actually leads you nowhere, in hopes that it will spark your attention and be able to push you to her website to buy her course. Why would you buy the course based on this? Nowhere in this video does she mention the fact that you should start earning money somewhere, somehow, before you start looking for credit. And if you're starting a business where you have to use credit before you start earning any money, that business has a 99% chance that it's going to fail and leave you in more debt. If the first step that you're taking to build credit in your business is to apply for a gang of net 30 accounts, I'm going to revert back to that other video. You probably don't need business credit right now. You probably need a lesson in sales, marketing, how to run a business properly, and you need to get your personal credit in line. Stop letting these people fool you out of thousands of dollars, because all you're going to do at the end of the day is end up with less money in your pocket and still having an illegitimate business that makes no money. But now you'll be in debt. Listen, y'all, it's been a long time since I did a reaction video of any kind, so I hope you guys found this video entertaining and informational. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can get a notification every time that I do a new video. Other than that, I know you guys got plenty of places to go to get your credit information, but you're here with me. Be blessed.